So we're going to do the oil change on the Swift right now. So first thing is to warm up the engine, and then there's a 14 drain bolt plug underneath the engine. It's exactly on the driver's side. I'll show you where it is right now. So that there is the oil drain plug. So we need to loosen that. It is a 14 bolt. It's so tight. Oh my god. Ouch. So be careful of this exhaust pipe, guys. It's pretty hot. Don't get yourself burned by this. Yeah, I loosened it. So use a bigger socket wrench. I think this is a 3x8. Yep, no spills. Now go on top and open the engine oil cap so that it drains faster. Just loosen this cap also. Yeah. And here sits the oil filter, which we need to remove. So let that drain fully first. The previous mechanic actually RTV'd the drain bolt plug. That's why it was so tight and it wasn't coming out. Really stupid, guys, really stupid. Why do you do that? Just need to torque tighten them to the right spec. Really bad. So to remove the oil filter, I actually have this oil filter removal tool. I'll leave the links for this in the description below. I got it from Amazon, so you guys can buy it if you want to. It was a huge mess, guys, huge mess. Not huge, it was bad, so. So that's it. So we removed the oil filter and we let it drain for a few minutes, and then we'll put the drain plug back on and the new oil filter. So we'll just wait for like 15 to 20 minutes till it drains completely. Okay, so let's install the new oil filter. So this is the new oil filter from AC Delco. Now before installing them, you need to remove this cover and you need to lubricate this gasket with some oil. Now the torque for the oil filter is 14 Newton meters. Since I don't have the right tool for it, I'm just going to hand tighten it. Hand tightening is more than enough actually. I got a new oil drain bolt plug and washer. So the size is M14 into 1.5. So this is the correct size for our Swift. So let's go ahead and install it right now. So this is how the new one looks like. It's much shorter in length than the old one. The old one was longer. This is shorter, but that's all right. We'll torque it down to 35 Newton meters as well. Yeah, so the new drain bolt plug size is 17 mm. It's not 14 mm anymore. As per the manual, the drain bolt plug should be torqued down to 35 Newton meters. Yeah, it's at 35 right now. So it's good. Okay, so now it's time to fill the engine with the new engine oil. So I'm going to fill the engine with the Mobile Super All-in-One Protection Formula D1 5W30 engine oil. This is API SP graded engine oil, and this should be fine for our Suzuki Swift. This engine requires 3.1 liters of engine oil as per the manual. So the 100 ml of engine oil is also going in right now. Close the cap. start the engine and check the level. I'll have to take it off the ramps so that it lies on level ground before you check the engine oil level. So we're going to start the engine. Oh, smooth. It's smooth. It's so smooth, guys. It's really so smooth right now. So the correct way to check the engine oil level is to turn off the engine, wait for 5 minutes, make sure that your car is on a flat level ground, and then you can check the oil dipstick, which is this yellow thing over here. So as you can see, the engine oil level is exactly between max and minimum, which is perfect. So 3.1 liters of engine oil for this engine is perfect. So that's it, guys. This is how you change the engine oil on your Suzuki Swift 1.4. All you need is just 3.1 liters of engine oil, not more than that, and it's perfect. You'll also have to replace your oil filter. So that's it for this vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful. If you did, please do hit the like button. Do consider subscribing to my channel if you haven't done already. And until next time, this is Dan signing out. Bye bye.